The object type is an alias for system object in .NET. In C#'s unified type system, all types, whether predefined or user-defined, including both reference types and value types, inherit directly or indirectly from system object. This means you can assign values of any type, except ref struct, which has special handling, to variables of type object. Any variable of type object can be assigned its default value using the null literal. When a variable of a value type is assigned to an object variable, this process is known as boxing. Conversely, when an object variable is assigned to a value type, this process is referred to as unboxing.